Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Students, after the completion of chapter 7 Animal World, we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 8 Skeletal System. So we are going to revise this chapter here, and today's video is completely based on the chapter 8, that is Skeletal System. So first thing that we have to understand is what is a skeletal system, or what you understand by the word skeletal system. So as you know that our body is made up of skin, flesh, muscles, bones, organ systems. So these are the things by which our body is made up of. The basic thing that is required for our body is the framework, and the bones or the bony structure is the framework of our body, and this bony structure or frame is known as skeletal system, in which our bone of the hand, bone of the legs, bone of the head, bone of the fingers, chest bone, backbone, these kind of bones are included. So skeletal system is the framework of our body, and there it is made up of different kinds of bones and the joints. Okay, so this is the introduction of the chapter number 8 skeletal system. So let us begin. After this small introduction, let us begin the revision of the introduction of the skeletal system and different parts of the skeletal system. So we open the page number 69. So children, the chapter 8 skeletal system, this chapter having these topics: skeletal system, joints, muscles, keeping bones and muscles healthy. So our body consists of different organs like stomach, liver, lungs and kidneys. Many organs collectively form an organ system which work together to perform a particular function in the body. It means our body have different body organs like heart, lungs, liver, kidney, stomach, brain, etc. And many organs work together in a group. Then they perform a single task and they become organ system. So the organ system like the circulatory system, digestive system, the respiratory system, excretory system and the skeletal system means when two or more organs are collectively perform a single task inside our body, then they become organ system. Like when the veins, arteries, heart, they all perform a single task collectively, then they become organ system. Okay, similarly in skeletal system, when the bones, joints, muscles, these organs perform a single task in a group collectively, then they become skeletal system or organ system. Now, what is skeletal system, children? So skeletal system is a framework of bones, and you know that in our body there are 206 bones, okay, which are different in shape and sizes, whereas in child or in a small baby there are more than 350 bones. These bones in the child, these bones means 350 bones in the child combine together and fuses together, and later on when a child become adult they become 250 in number, 206 in number. Okay, so the human skeletal system consists of different parts, means we can say that our human skeletal system have different parts. And what are these parts? Yes, of course, these parts are skull, rib cage, backbone and limbs. These are the parts of our skeletal system, and this is the structure or the diagram of human skeleton. So skull, that is the head bone. Inside the skull, our delicate brain remain protected. Then this box-like cage-like structure, this cage is completely made by the bones. Okay, this bony cage protects our heart as well as our lungs, and this is known as rib cage. And these stick-like bones are known as ribs. These are ribs. Then backbone. You can see this structure. You can see this is a long segmented bones which are the base of our body. Okay, and by the help of this segmented long bone, we can bend, we can put anything, we can pick anything, we can do our regular task, we can move from left to right with the help of this segmented bone, that is backbone. And inside this backbone there is a very delicate rope-like structure that is known as the spinal cord, and this is also known as vertebral column. Now the last is limbs. Limbs, these are limbs, legs and the bone, legs bones and the hand bones are termed as limbs. Okay, in human we have 2 hands and 2 legs. So we can say this is our forelimbs and this is our hind limbs. Okay, so first thing, skull. The skull is made up of 22 bones. There are 8 flat bones. The total number of bone in the skull is 22, and there are 8 flat bones which are interlocked, means completely locked, no movement at all, which give shape to our head and protect the delicate brain. Inside this head bone or skull, our brain remain protected. There are 14 bones that make up the face. Our facial bones, our face bones are 14 in number. Okay, 14 in number, which makes our face. Only the lower jaw, this is the complete skull or the complete face and head bone. The head bone is immovable, whereas the upper jaw is an immovable, whereas the lower jaw is completely movable. Okay, we can talk, we can eat, we can say anything, we can laugh because of the lower jaw. Okay, the upper jaw and lower jaw have teeth. The skull also has holes for our eyes and nose. Okay, eye socket and nose socket. Now the next is backbone. The skull is attached to the backbone called the vertebral column. The skull is, this is a skull, and this skull is attached with the backbone. You can see here, this skull is attached with the backbone. This is called vertebral column. It is made by 33 small segmented bones, which is known as vertebra. It protects our spinal cord. Okay. Now the next is the rib cage. You can see the structure of backbone. This is a long segmented bone. Segmented means made by so many bones. We can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count the number of smaller bones, bead-like bones, like in our necklace, the beads or pearls are there. In a similar way, there are 33 smaller segmented bones which make our backbone. Okay, now the rib cage. You can see a cage-like structure. This is a cage made up of bones. Okay, so there are 12 pairs of ribs. there are 12 pairs. 12 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 this in this side and 12 in this side. Means total 24 bones or 24 ribs. And these ribs make a cage-like structure is known as rib cage. Ribs are thin and curved bones. They are attached to the sternum in the front and backbone at the back. The last two pairs of ribs are not attached to the sternum and are called floating ribs. The front part is sternum, okay, and the last pair, you can see here the last pair of the rib cage is, the last pair of ribs are not attached with the backbone or with the sternum. They are known as floating rib, okay, and this rib cage protects our heart and lungs. So children, this is given on page number 70. I hope you all have understood the revision work of chapter number 8, skeletal system. But still, if you have any query, any question or any problem regarding this topic, means skeletal system and the part of skeletal system, you are free to ask me. Okay, without any hesitation, you can immediately ask me during the class. Okay, and I will provide you a worksheet on this topic. So please watch the video carefully and read this page number 70. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.